Okay, it's Tuesday. It's Taste Test Tuesday. Now, this is not going to be a taste test. I'm actually filming this on Monday. Usually I film Monday. Well, I was supposed to film Monday for Tuesday, but sometimes I'll film, like, if something comes up that, like the election, for example. Maybe the election is on Tuesday, so I wouldn't be filming. Then I'd film Tuesday for maybe Wednesday. But this is kind of, it's supposed to be, Sunday for Monday, Monday for Tuesday. I film two on Monday for Tuesday, and then Wednesday for Thursday, Friday for Saturday, or whatever. I can't remember. I put the list back there of when we film. We have 5 videos a week coming out, long form videos, and some shorts. I did already film the taste test, which I filmed about 3 or 4 days ago, and it'll be coming out tomorrow about 2 o'clock, I think. This should be coming out at 2:30. At 2:30, we're going to make today with using 2 different appliances. One is the microwave. Can you see the microwave? Whoop. There's the microwave. And the other will be the air fryer. And we're going to make today Mediterranean chicken wraps. Mediterranean chicken wraps. Quick, easy, fast, fun, and healthy for me, because I am a diabetic. So we're going to use 2 different appliances. One will be the microwave, one the air fryer, and we can see how these come out. Now, have I ever made these in the air fryer before? The answer is no. But I thought, let's try it. The air fryer is an easy way to cook, a healthy way to cook. They don't use a lot of oils. You don't need a lot of grease. And it cooks on the top and the bottom at the same time. It kind of has a good flow of air, like a convection oven. Works really well. The ingredients we're going to use, they're all pre-made ingredients, pre-prepared, pre-cooked, whatever. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So please subscribe, like, share. I will also include down below, I'll include the playlist of all the cooking stuff we did, the low carb meals we make. And you go back that way, you can see those. We had a very popular one on air fryer pizza. One also recently on air fryer pepperoni and cheese bites. You might like to see that as well. So we're going to use two different appliances. People said, do you always use just one thing, like just a skillet on top of the oven? Do you just use like the microwave, for example? Do you just use air fryer? And the answer is usually, it could be yes, but sometimes it's no, and this is going to be a no. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this, turn it around, and show you what we're going to do. Okay, and we're back. First thing we do is we will be using this. This is just a flame grilled chicken. Now, this is not necessarily seasoned like a fajita, but similar to that. So we'll put enough to make maybe 2 of these wraps. That was going to cook it off. This right here is pre-cooked, so you could just eat it just right out of the bag. Family size bag. I've used it on a couple of other videos. We also have used the one with the steak fajita meat, or the basically just grilled steak. You can use it really for whatever you want. This is already seasoned, but we'll just add a little bit of this. Is just like a little seasoned salt. It's a season. I'm sorry, 21 season salute. Do you see it? And it comes from Trader Joe's. We'll add a little bit of that in there, and we'll add a little bit of this. This is just a extra virgin olive oil. There was a olive oil scandal, olive oil, I guess, class action, that some of it was not extra virgin. So I don't really know what that means, but there was that. And we'll sprinkle a little bit of that on there, and then we're going to stir it up. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and put it in the microwave. Can you see the microwave? Boop, 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 boop. You can indeed. We'll do that for us. Put it in there for. It's already pre-cooked. We're not cooking it. We're only going to try to get those ingredients in there. When you use the air fryer, a lot of times that will almost be like a marinade because of the way it cooks. It almost marinates it, and that's the one we're going to use. This will be doing at 350 degrees, not 400. Stir it one more time. Gotta mix it around. Now you don't need to. This is actually seasoned. What is it seasoned like? It's like not like a Mexican food, like a I don't even know Mexican food. Our fajita is really Mexican. I don't even know, but they consider that Mexican type cooking. I don't know. I am using my mic today. I remember to use my mic. Now, did I remember to charge it? That's a different story, and the answer is no. So it may go out halfway through, so part of it might be a little bit louder than the other. So this is like 30 seconds in the microwave just to move around those seasonings. So what are we going to do next? We're going to go ahead and start preheating this microwave, the air fryer. I did a little bit of it already, so we don't have to go too long on that. And we'll go and assemble these. I think 2 will fit in there. I'll show it to you as I go along. We're going to just use a little mozzarella cheese because it's a Mediterranean style. So, like they say, mozzarella is supposed to be like Italian. So, you know, that's what we're going to be using. And let's put a little mozzarella on there, and put some of the chicken. The chicken is now quite warm. We might only have enough chicken to make 2. I don't know. So we'll put it like that, and I'll put a little bit extra here. And when we roll this, there's many ways to roll, like a wrap or a burrito. You can always wrap it like this, folding up. Can you see that? Let's go and tilt it down. There we go. You can always do it like this. It's like tilt, put the bottom part here, and then 1, and then maybe 2, like that. Now some cheese will come out, of course, and we'll try to tuck that underneath. And some of the meat came out, so that wasn't a very good wrap. I think I got a little bit too much in the way of ingredients. Let me go ahead and redo that. Push it down, maybe a little too high. Okay, so up, and then just over, and then tuck it underneath, and then like that. So there we go, there's 1. Okay, see? And we'll go and put it in our basket in here. Oop. And this may blow open, and that's fine too. We just go ahead and redo it. Doing it with, like I always say on the air fryer, it doesn't really have any settings other than temperature and time. So you kind of have to look at it to see how it looks. And there's a little bit left over there, and we'll put it there and fold and roll. And there's the second one. This one already popped open a little bit. Like I said, they probably will open up, but that's okay. And that's how they look in there. There they go. So let's go ahead and put them in here. I have no idea how long to do this for, so I'm going to put it like at 4 minutes, and we'll take a look. There's a little teeny bit of chicken left in here. I just want to put it on there. We can always give it to the dog, or I can eat it. So we've now used the microwave, and we've used the, now we're using the air fryer. And like I said before, since it's already pre-cooked, all the meat is already cooked, and the cheese, of course, is prepared, there's no real danger zone. There is, you don't have to worry about any kind of a problem with, yeah, that one did open all the way up. I didn't really think about that, but a good way to probably avoid them opening would be to put some cheese on both the bottom and the top of the meat. So it would, at that point, it would seal it up. These are what we use again. I got these on deep clearance. I think they're $4.99 regular price, for 49 cents on clearance at grocery outlet. And there it is, flat out light Italian herb. They have a plain one. They have one, I think it was like not a ranch dressing, but something like that. Some kind of different kind. Let's go and take a look. Yeah, these are probably done. To give a little bit more time for that. I brought out another thing of these. They don't have any more right now. So if you do go to the grocery outlet in Doherty, California, they do not have these, but I did make a video about these, quite a few videos about these actually, about different things you can make. Just taking one of these and put a little peanut butter on there. A little low carb, very low carb peanut butter sandwich. Let me see what the carbs will be on this. Okay, on this here, the net carbs is going to be 6. The cheese is 0 carbs, and the chicken is 3 carbs. So this is a 9 carb. Wait, let's see, 3 carbs. Yeah, so 6. Yeah, 6 and 3. So we got a 9 carb meal. Let's go and check this. Yeah, they're done. That's what they look like, and we'll put them on a plate so you can see how they look on a plate. The one that opened, it's fine. And the other one didn't open. Now this right here, one of these is probably not enough for a meal, but you could make, if I put less ingredients in here, it would, you could probably make like a plate of these, maybe make like 3 of them in the microwave, in the air fryer at a time, make 3 at a time, and then you could probably just, if let's say make, 4 sets of that, you got 12 of these, eat 1, put 11 away or whatever in the freezer or whatever, or eat 2, because it's not really gonna be enough for a full meal. So I'm going to pause again. Okay, and there we have it. This is a Mediterranean chicken wrap. There it is. So easy. Total time to make this, probably about 6 minutes. About 6 minutes or so. And 9 net grams of carbs, approximate, I guess. And there it is. Does it look good? It smells good. And you don't have to season it. Like I said, this is all by what you want to do. You can season it. If you want to make it with a tortilla versus the Mediterranean wrap, you could add some taco sauce or some kind of salsa or something like that. If you want to make it like more of a Mexican style, or you could make that and then add some ranch dressing. Put maybe cook a slice of bacon, chop it up, throw that bacon on top of there, and with that, and you can have like one of those like chicken bacon ranch type of a deal. But anyway, this is it. And that was pretty fast. I didn't know how long that was going to take to film. But anyway, everybody have a great day. Don't forget, please subscribe, like, share, and tell me in the comment section, what do you like to eat? If you look down here, I will put, in the comment section, I will put the list of all the ones we've done. Recently, we've had, been using the air fryer. We made air fryer pizza, air fryer, low carb, both very low carb, pepperoni and cheese bites that you can have for for an appetizer, or you even have enough of them you can have as a meal. People are always saying, I don't want to find a chip replacement, or something to take the place of a chip. What's good about those pepperoni and cheese things is they're a little salty, a little crunchy, and they, maybe they could suffice for that. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.